Capture zone is moving. Sending new location to your OpSat now.
Sharp gamers.
Zone under assault.
For hours on end, so I thought
We're on the
as
zone.
well stream it.
Tango dispatch.
So don't expect too much out of me, even though I'm kind of addicted to it. I'm shit, so you know, realistic expectations type shit.
Really coming out of the woodwork.
But I don't know, maybe I'm ball out a little bit for camera.
You're down, but never out.
We get some people up in chat, maybe I'm ball out, I don't know.
Capture zone is moving.
Activating detention.
Tag them up.
Capture zone contested.
Oh, fuck.
The zone's danger.
How about you taste that?
Gathering intel.
We're locking
That
down
makes
the
me feel
zone.
better about myself. But
Capture zone contested.
was all that necessary? Did
Capture
you
zone is
really
moving.
have to throw a
Sending
grenade
new
in there?
location to your OpSat now.
Early morning
The
type
zone's in
stream.
danger.
The itch to make content, y'all, it never goes away. I'm telling you. I'm always like,
We're on the zone.
dang, I want to make a YouTube video right now, but I never end up doing it. I always find it to be too much work. But I'm already playing XDefiant, and I'm already yapping to myself while I'm doing it. So I thought, you know what, might as well stream it. Maybe get a couple viewers on it. I'm not good enough. I'm not good enough to get a good amount of viewers because I'm not good at this game. But I'm already wasting my life on it. Why not? Try and use it to grow. I don't be streaming like that a lot, but still.
Capture zone contested.
It's a popular game. It's the first time I've actually like fucked around with a newly popular game in a while, so we'll see. I like it. I think it has potential personally, but there are some times that I don't like how it looks. But I think a lot of it is mainly people in the game issues, but I understand that comes with the territory in a Ubisoft game, so if people in the game aren't pieces of shit, it's not a Ubisoft game. I know that, so not blaming that on the game, I'm blaming that on... Well, I guess I could blame it on the game, it is an Ubisoft game. For some reason they just attract them like flies. It's the worst of the worst from the gaming community.
We're locking down the zone.
The average For Honor player, if you were. And listen, I love For Honor, but
Capture zone contested.
the community makes me want to die.
Zone under assault.
The For Honor community is a whole fucking garbage. Do not.
Hostile suppressed.
I don't know. The community's viewpoints on a lot of things have shifted in a direction that I don't agree with.
Capture zone is moving.
which makes me
Zone under
not
assault.
quite care to play the game anymore because the community has made it just unenjoyable.
We're locking down the zone.
There's been a massive shift in opinion about honor fights in Dominion that I don't agree with,
Capture zone contested.
and that would be that honor fights in Dominion are stupid, and that jumping is, you should just always be jumping. I don't think honor fight XDefiant, no. I was singing your praises. I will say, that is the first game crash I've ever had. But we're back, I think. But man, I was just singing my praises of this game, and now it goes and crashes on me. They kicked me for being too ass. They're like, bro's holding up the servers. We gotta get him off here. For real. I got a new phone. I just realized that I do not even have the Twitch app on my phone, so if people are posting stuff in chat, that's my fault. I can't see that right now, but when I get it all sorted, for sure, I'll be responding. So if y'all are posting messages, I'll be responding to you, don't worry. Jesus, what's my username? I haven't streamed in a minute, so I'm not really sure. Okay, that's what I thought it was, but yeah, I finally changed my Xbox username so it actually looks like all my other. Oh, what the fuck? Fuck you. Level 40. You get ranked? It's crazy. Come on, Ubisoft. I'm just trying to get good, for real. Oh, come on now, Twitch. Damn, I'm trying to set up my Twitch. No. Oh, I don't use owned anymore. let's get it started. We back at it after game crash. You know how it is. We out here. I got chat up, by the way, guys, so if anybody's out there chatting, I'll see you now. As usual, could not remember my password. Had to have a reset, but you know what it is. We're out here now.
Occupy. Marking the objective and pushing coordinates to your OPSAT. 3, 2.
Yo, thanks
1.
for the follow, dog.
Take the capture zone.
BK
Follow it when it
Baltus
changes
92.
location.
Man, I've been hooked on this game.
We're locking down the zone.
Yeah, I'll definitely hit you with the follow back.
The zone's in danger. Capture zone contested.
Scanning for hostiles.
Yeah, that was pretty stupid of me. I don't know why I did that. On crash out kind of timing, I guess.
This is a rough off, but you're a pro.
There was
You'll
someone
bounce
around the
back.
corner. And I really thought
We're on
I
the
was a
zone.
genius in that situation. Somebody already did the job I
Capture
wanted
zone
to
is
do.
moving. Sending new location to your OPSAT
Man,
now.
I can not hit a shot worth a damn this morning.
Target down. The zone's in danger.
I think this is probably the first Ubisoft game I've legitimately enjoyed in a long time. The hacker's problem in Rainbow is just gotten so bad at this point. It's not even funny. They say something's been done about the Chrono Zen. Nothing's been done about the Chrono Zen, and
We're locking down the
is
zone.
left online in a dismal state. It's just like For Honor devolved into a horrific community instead of
Capture zone is moving.
being just horrible people and no fun to play with. Now it's just hackers.
The zone's in danger.
But what can you do about it?
We're on the zone.
I was enjoying Rainbow there for a minute too, but I don't know. Ubisoft always finds a way to mess up Rainbow for the casual, and I think Rainbow's a good example of what happens when you focus too much on esports. I definitely think esports is an important part, but I think
The zone's in danger.
Rainbow is somewhat unplayable for the casual player. You can't just sit down and have fun on Rainbow. You gotta sweat your ass
Capture zone
off.
is moving.
It's like how
Sending new location to
Fortnite
your OPSAT now.
got when everybody started to not like it anymore. Everybody else, all the casual players got basically kicked out and replaced by
Allies on
TTV
the
sweats,
zone.
which is ironic because we were all trying to be TTV sweats at first, but then we all realized that, oh, it's not fun to play against these people. But I don't know. This seems like a casual game, so I mean some people will sweat, but I don't ever really sweat in it. I don't get mad about it. I usually get mad about a game,
Zone under assault.
but I don't know if it ever really raises this game for me, so maybe they're doing something right.
We're locking down the zone. Capture zone is moving.
Hopefully this game keeps a good player base, because I love
Rogue
the
Echelon
finals too,
agent
man.
activated sonar
But
goggles.
dude, nobody plays the finals anymore. So what are you supposed to do in that
Zone under
situation?
assault.
That game was fun too, but I think it really just, they never turned that trend success into long term, and it killed their game.
We're on the zone.
Unfortunately, in today's culture of we want more content now, XDefiant, I don't think was able to live up. Oh my god, okay, I thought that would bounce again, but I'm an idiot.
Zone under assault.
In today's live service culture of more content
Capture
now,
zone is moving.
now,
Sending new location to
it
your
is
offset now. Capture zone contested.
unsustainable to drop a content with a game with so little content and not have enough, not have more added by the time they should have. I will agree that even I was kind of appalled by seemingly how little content the game dropped with, but I would expect that from a Call of Duty that was going to get new maps the moment that the Battle Pass dropped or whatever. And even I don't like it there. I'm glad that Black Ops 6 is coming with 16 multiplayer maps. However, I can expect it from something like that. Something that is supposed to be better than what the others are. Because COD's not good, we just have to play it because that's the only game out that
Capture zone is
is
moving.
being published anymore. That is still halfway decent. I'm sure if Medal of Honor was still being published and made, and it was a halfway decent game, people would much rather play that over Call of Duty at this point.
Hostile suppressed.
But
Allies on the zone.
just launching with such little content and taking so long to get substantial new content killed the game in today's market of live service. I don't like live service games. I like the introduction of new maps and hotfixes, but battle passes I don't like. I will never buy a battle pass again. I spent too much money on Fortnite battle passes. Not even, like, I can't even joke about how much I spent. I will never see that money again.
Capture zone is moving.
That sucks that I gave all that money to Fortnite. Because Fortnite blows ass now. And I'm not just saying that because it always blew ass. It used to be great. And then Epic suddenly stopped knowing how to run a game. Which I guess a lot of developers halfway through stop knowing how to run a game and start adding stuff that nobody asked for. I think Epic with Fortnite makes a lot of half-baked ideas.
Zone under assault.
And then puts them out with everyone in the community is right in saying that they're good ideas. They're just half-baked. And then instead of expanding on them, Epic decides in a couple seasons, alright, well, that didn't work out, even though we put no effort into this feature or whatever, such as attachments. I think attachments would have worked better without a bench, personally, and led to a lot more people using them. But Epic, I suppose, did not see it that way. So, but then again, I don't think scopes, like putting a red dot on an AR, should be in the game. I think scopes were for snipers, and marksmen, and there was a point to that. Because
Rogue Echelon agent activated sonar
in the
goggles.
type of game that Epic created, there were clear boundaries of a weapon. I think that was important for the pace of the game and how you could use certain weapons. And while you could shoot far with an AR, obviously you weren't going to be able to see far. You weren't supposed to have a scope on it. But then first person got introduced. I do not like first person in Fortnite. I'm just rambling at this point, I think. I'm probably going off on some tangent while I shit on play XDefiant about how Fortnite sucks now. I sound like a boomer. I'm just gonna stop yapping.
Zone under assault.
Talking about kids these days and their live service games. But it probably will be a shorter stream today. I got doctor's appointments today, so unfortunately here probably give it 15. I was probably gonna have to cut it for the stream, but
Don't compromise.
definitely appreciate everybody in chat. Appreciate everybody
Zone
watching.
changing coordinates.
I just find it cool that I can entertain people doing something that I just sit here doing all day anyways. Even if I wasn't.
I'll start filling out the mission failure report to get a head
So-
start on the bookkeeping. We're on the zone.
Maybe one day I'll be good at the game. And
Mission wrapping up.
Or
Only
go
have
on
to
the
put some last minute
That'd
bulletproof
be pretty
tactics
cool.
to your ops path.
I'd love to play video games for a living.
Gathering intel.
I mean, right now I've got a
Compromise.
disease, so I don't really do anything for a living. I'm trying, but really tired now, you know what I'm saying?
Zone contested.
Job market wicked out here in southern Oklahoma.
Zone
But-
changing location. That was hardly by the book, Agent.
Yeah, I didn't expect. Yeah, we're not gonna let that one pass. Alright, it's probably gonna be the last one. I gotta clutch up. I can't go out on a loss. Come on, chat. We can't go out on a loss. Can't go like that. We don't take L's around here. We only accept W's. I need to use my ability a lot more. I've been slacking on that. But it'll be
Occupy.
alright.
Here's the setup. Seek, seize, and defend. 3, 2, 1. Secure the capture zone. I'll keep you apprised of its location.
Shit, I may be able to get the boys to stream with me next time. Reaper's not a big shooter person though, so
We're locking down the zone.
I don't know. I may not be able to get him in here long enough. I've been able to get him in for 2 matches at a time, and then he runs off to go play Warframe. Maybe I'll stream Warframe, who knows. I haven't played Warframe in a long time. That was stupid. I don't know why I just ran at that person trying to knock him in the fucking noggin. I ain't winning that way. Promise you that. Ow, come on, I wanted to get killed. Oh. Wow. I just kinda gave that up. I'm out here going for kills. If I'm going for kills, I need to be playing TV. But I'm not, so I need to
Zone
stop.
compromised.
I need to realize it's not
This is a
the
rough
move.
off, but you're a pro. You'll bounce back.
Thought I'd make it down the stairs in time.
Capture zone is moving. We're locking down the zone.
That guy just has my number, huh? He keeps shooting me. Gotta get my get back. One time. Come on.
Hostile suppressed.
Dang. Okay. Let's start going. I don't.
The zone's in danger.
I just look like I'm doing nothing out here. I think I need glasses because I'm having to sit about 5 inches away from this thing. You know, see.
We're locking down the zone.
Excuse me.
Capture zone is moving. Sending new location to your offset now.
Changing mags.
The zone's in
I'm
danger.
on a spot assist. I put a couple bullets. Come on, at least give me a damage assist. Yeah, I know it's exactly the same this time.
We're locking down the zone.
This is going bad. I've got the KD of a newborn. Or actually, a newborn could probably have a better KD than I do right now. Oh, I was shooting the wrong guy. They look the same. I really thought I had him there. I was like, dang, yeah, you can't get away from me now, huh? But apparently you can.
We're on the zone.
Alright, listen,
Capture zone is moving.
I know that the MP7 is like a sniper rifle, but did you have to beam me from 20 yards?
Zone under assault.
Oh, that fucking SMG. I hate it. I mean, I love using it, because it's real fucking cheeky. But I hate fighting against it, because it's real
Scanning for
fucking
hostiles.
cheeky. Boy, is it weak.
We're on the zone.
I can justify that death as trying to protect the zone. And I will,
The zone's
because
in
I am.
danger.
Okay, I gotta get better with this gun, because this is what I'm getting absolutely shat on with. So I'm assuming this is like the best gun in the game. I don't really know. I should probably like join the XDefiant subreddit and actually do research.
Capture zone is moving. Sending new location to your OPSAT now. We're locking
Why do
down
that
the
when
zone.
I can just get shot and use trial and error? The old-fashioned way, like the colonial men used to do it. If it hurts when I get shot, I'm not doing it right. I think actually it probably should be if I'm getting shot at all, but, you know, sometimes you gotta make concessions. Oh, there's somebody in there. Yeah, you gotta be the one to pop the first shot off in the game, where you're not winning a gunfight. Unless you have a purifier, and then in that case, your ultra's overpowered as fuck. Alright, listen. I'm just saying, the Purifiers faction
Gathering intel.
is, I think, a little too good. Either that or the other ones are a little too bad. It's just, the power scale seems off. It seems like the Purifier shouldn't be able to hit you when the flame is 5 feet in front of you. But, and I understand that maybe that's accurate. Like, yeah, you're probably getting cooked pretty good when you're 5 feet in front of the flame. But for a shooter game, I'm not looking for accuracy. I'm looking for visual cues on where the damage is coming from, because that is essential to gameplay. That's the whole reason that bullets have trails. Guess what? In real life, bullets don't really have trails that much, but I don't care about that sort of accuracy in this kind of game. If this was a realistic shooter, something like Rainbow, then sure, you can get cooked as far as you want and whatever. But I feel like the damage is not accurately portrayed by the sprite, which I think in a game where basically you have to base your decisions off what you can see, because beyond that you know nothing else usually, unless you have something like an intel ability or something. But you have to work with your eyes, and if your eyes are telling you that the flame's 5 feet in front of you, but you're still taking damage, you're not gonna think it's from the fucking flame. You're gonna think you're getting shot from somewhere and just figure out where that's coming from instead of running from the flame. It's this gun. I don't know how people kill me with it, because I'm just getting bodied.
Zone under assault.
Body audio looking ass. Just dunked on eternally. Cannot get a kill. That KD is
Capture zone is moving.
atrocious. I can't even make an excuse for that KD. That's bad. I'm yapping too much. I need to lock in.
Agent. Zone under assault. Remember the mission. Get on the capture zone. We're locking down the zone.
Revealing enemies.
Sango's lighting up the scope. Really coming out of the woodwork. Zone changing coordinates. We're locking
Why are
down
we
the
not
zone.
holding this? Why are we not
Capture
holding
zone
this?
contested. Zone under assault.
Out.
Once again, the subpar kill versus kill assist system strikes again in this game. Listen, I love this game, but it has its faults, and one of them is how it counts kills and kill assists. I thought we had moved away from the archaic version of kill and kill assist counting that this game uses. I am almost certain it uses a form that counts the last shot as the kill. Most modern shooters count the amount of damage done. I believe COD has switched to that system.
Updating coordinates.
I think Rainbow is at that system. It is the most commonly used modern system because it's right. I would say. When you want to accurately score stats, the person that does the most damage, kill them. But here we're sat. I do 99% of the damage. Dude gets one hit,
ready for deployment.
and suddenly I get a damage assist, which sucks because you get less points than a kill assist, or I get a kill assist. Because he put the
Allies
one
on the
last
zone.
bullet in him that just put him down for good. Well, that's great, but I sat here taking as much damage as he did because I was in a gunfight with him. So I'd like the kill I fought for. Thank you. But this game's system just,
I see you.
it's super archaic.
Is that revenge?
There's a reason the industry
Zone
moved
changing
away from it.
coordinates.
I don't agree with the gaming industry a lot, but one thing I can agree with the gaming industry about, there's a reason they moved away from the system.
We're on the zone.
It's because it is not the most accurate way, I believe, to score kills. And I understand somebody's dissenting opinion, but I think other things come with scoring kills like that, which is people
Zone compromised.
kind of just interrupting
The
other
zone is
teams.
danger.
A lot of third partying, and not necessarily third partying, but just like coming in last second when you're having like a fun gunfight with somebody. I'm just trying to have fun, really, and taking it. It just kind of takes the fun out of
Heads
it.
up. I'm detecting
'Cause
our
now
sonar tech in enemy
Everything you
hands.
just worked for. I mean, while the gunfight was fun, sure, yeah, that was part of the reward, I guess, of it. But you know what I mean. Now you don't get what you worked for in that gunfight,
EMP, out.
which was
Zone changing
the
location.
kill. One of the most
We're
important things
locking
you
down
could
the zone.
try and fight for in a gunfight. That's what you're fighting for in a gunfight. The one and only thing. Because if you don't get the kill, you're probably gonna die. You lose all the payoff of that if the system is scored the way this is. And while, if anybody's new here, yes, I do yap like this all the time. I just talk about the most random and topics way too in detail. Like, I just get way too into it. It's the autism, if anybody's wondering. But, yeah. Yeah, I timed it about right. This will probably be the last one, chat. But man, it's good to stream again.
We're locking
If
down
I
the
get
zone.
back on later, I might stream. But we'll see. I know I need to start doing longer streams, especially if I want to get those
The
followers
analysts
up.
predict you're
I'm
close
at.
to winning. We'll capture zone moving. Updating
Get
coordinates.
Twitch partner. That'd be the goal, so I can get Twitch subs. Make some dinero off this, because like I said, I'd love to be able to play video games for a living. I mean, I'm a part of a game development studio, an indie studio. Check us out, Toad
Zone under attack.
We got a couple socials. We don't post much, but we're working on a massive
We're locking down
MMO
the zone.
RPG, Elder Scrolls type, kind of Elder Scrolls, Dark Souls mix, if you can think about that. And we're real excited for it. It's a couple years out for sure, but we're not gonna put it out unless it's worth playing. And unless we would play it ourselves, it's not a game we're ever gonna put out. And while that may lead to it not coming out for a couple, maybe even like 5 or 6 years, it's a game that I'm excited to be a part of, legitimately. And I think I'll probably be able to reveal more details as we go in the Twitch. But yeah, for now, probably gonna hold off on letting out too much. I don't know. I mean, I'm higher up there, but I don't want to reveal anything the team doesn't want revealed that we're not actively. Maybe plans have changed since I've last checked in, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. But guys, thanks for the fun stream, man. I'm going to try and do this a lot more often, at least till I get employed again, because apparently employment is the hardest thing ever to get. Shout out Joe Biden. I love Joe Biden. He makes my economy go round and round. And that'll about do it for me, guys. I'm out of here.